Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will see how you can change the background of a photo without any software in just 30 seconds through just one website. So without delay, let's start this video. First of all, you will enter the website that you see on our screen. Then click where you see the upload image text. After that, select your desired image and then wait a little. Now you will see that your background has been removed. Then you download it in PNG format. So basically in this way you will get your desired background removed image. So guys, already you see that our image has completely background removed. Now we can use this for our personal needs. So guys, please comment how you like this video, subscribe and click the bell button if you don't want to miss the next update. Thank you so much for stay with us.